Hey guys, it's Misty with Mystic Gigi. Today we're going to be doing a pretty simple Dutch pour, but it's really pretty. My ratios are just paint and water, so I do 2 parts paint to 1 part water to 1.5 parts water approximately, just enough to where it's fluid without leaving a mound. And then my base colors are the Mars Black and the Titanium White by BLICK. And I don't know if I said it already, but I'm going to be doing a Dutch pour. And my canvas is a 12 by 24 gallery wrapped, and um, yeah, I love the way that the cells and the just the composition and stuff when you just use paint and water. I just don't have patience to mix it ahead of time, so I kind of tend to stick to my Floetrol and water. um, so if you are not yet subscribed and you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. It helps me out and it would mean the world to me. If you are a return subscriber, thank you so much for your love and support. You guys keep me going and your comments just make my day. So thank you so much for the continuous support. And if you guys are ever interested in a piece, please email me. My email's in the description below um, to do a commission, or if you're interested in a piece that you've seen, if it's still available. Um, and yeah, don't forget to check out the description box below. There's discounts for KS Resin, Counterculture DIY, ColourArte, Amazon, not discounts for Amazon, but Amazon links for like the hairdryer I'm using in this video. Just a bunch of different stuff. So check out the description box below. If you're not sure of where the description box below is, if you're on a cell phone, just click the title of this movie. And if you're on a computer, you click the below the person's name. So in this case, below Mystic Gigi by Misty Nelson, it'll be the it'll say click. It'll say show more. Click that, and it'll bring it all up. Okay, guys. All right. Well, I will let you watch, and I appreciate you guys for joining me, and I hope you have a fabulous day. And I'll let you watch, and I'll be back in a short. Thanks, guys. Okay, you guys, it's done. I think it turned out amazing. And just the detail that just paint and water gives is just, oh, I can't get over it. It's just so pretty. If you have not tried just paint and water, give it a try. It's so worth it. But check out those cells and the lacing and just the detail and that shimmer. Oh, I love it. Turned out great. I ended up actually doing another one, so I have a two-piece, and I love it. um, I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did making it, and I hope you give it a try. It's, oh, check out those cells. See, it's like nothing else. It's crazy how just water does that. And of course the different paints, and you gotta have a metallic in there to make those cells really pop. But if you haven't tried it yet, give it a try. It's worth it. It's totally worth it. And if you are ever interested in any of my paintings or any of my art, let me know. Just email me and I'm happy to talk with you about it. Or if you need any help with any of these techniques, I'm more than happy to help. Also, don't forget to check out the description box below for goodies and discounts and links. And I have my Facebook, my Instagram, my TikTok, come follow me on there. I'd appreciate it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so that you're notified every time I make a new video. Okay, guys, I hope you have a fabulous day, and I cannot thank you enough for the love and support. And until next time, thanks so much. Bye.